We will now see how to add WhatsApp in the WhatsApp panel. For that, first we will go to WhatsApp Setup. Then we will click on Connect WhatsApp with Facebook. Then you have to log in with your Facebook account. If login is successful, then you have to authorize. After taking authorization, terms and service have to be accepted. Then a new business portfolio has to be created, or if already created, then business portfolio has to be selected. If the client's portfolio is not Meta verified, then the client's portfolio will be verified by our backend team. Then you have to choose the WhatsApp business account or create one. Then WhatsApp business profile has to be selected or created. Then account name, display name, country and all extra optional details have to be filled up. Then you can verify your brand name with your account's display name. If you add a new number and use your desired physical number with OTP verification, you can create your number. Or, if you select the option Use a display name only, then Meta will provide WhatsApp through a virtual number. Then Finish options have to be selected and the process has to be completed. After the process is complete, you have to go to Resync phone number and click on Refresh status, then refresh the page once. After that, some errors may be shown, among which the common error is payment error. To resolve this, you have to click on Manage Payment and add a Master or Visa card. After the payment method is fully added, you refresh everything again. The error will be solved, but please contact our support team.